the gold standard. Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I will be reviewing the gold standard. This is a system where you can make money online without an email list, without a website, or putting your face on camera. And even if English isn't your first language, they've got you covered. So this is something that is great for newbies, great for somebody who is a little bit shy to be in front of a camera, or someone who doesn't speak very good English but is still interested in making money online. So you'll want to stick around if you check any of those boxes. And I've got demo access, so you're going to see what it looks like. Plus I've got a bunch of great bonuses that are going to complement this app, the gold standard. So a lot of my bonuses are newbie based to help you get a list growing, help you get traffic, help you understand what online marketing is, what launch jacking is, and how to make money online. So stay tuned, guys. Let me first take you over here to Keiron's amazing bonus bundle. This is all of my bonuses that are going to go along with this app, the gold standard. This is going to stay up until 11:59 on Wednesday, August 11th. So you've still got 4 days to pick these up, guys. So the gold standard, let's learn a little bit more about what it is, and then we're going to go into my bonuses and we're going to look at what the actual app is like. So online marketing methods not working, you need the gold standard. So what is the gold standard all about? So you can make money online, like I said, without an email list, without a website, without putting your face on camera, and especially even if English is not your first language. So it is very newbie friendly, easy to learn, no putting your face on camera, no tech skills required, full training, and more. So guys, these are the prices on the Upsells, but let me take you down here to my bonuses. Now this is the sales video that I'm going to leave in my bonus that is going to be in the description below, so you can access this anytime you want to learn more about it. You can watch this sales page, it'll take you through it. And down below here, guys, underneath my bonuses, there's also a demo video, so you can watch that in addition to watching my demo tutorial as well. So my first bonus, guys, is these 5 simple steps will explode your YouTube channel. So the gold standard is about making videos, uploading them onto YouTube. So this is going to really help your engagement. It's going to help your ranking. You follow some of these tools and tips, and you're going to see your YouTube channel start to outrank others. Okay. Now my second bonus is make huge money with no email list doing this. So if you were new to affiliate marketing, new to making money online, chances are you don't have an email list. Okay. So everybody says the money is in the list. Well, how do you get money if there is no list? This is a way that you can do this with no email list. Very easy to follow. So just follow the step-by-step system and you can be on your way to making money without the email list. Oh, just a side note here, guys. If you hear some pinging, my apologies. I'm on the roof as I record this, and the heat, it's a hot day here. The heat is causing the metal to expand and make some pinging noises, so please bear with me with that. My third bonus, guys, is this simple hack creates headlines that sell. So when you're creating your videos, you want to have some engaging headlines, something that maybe creates a little bit of mystery, a little bit of interest, a little bit of intrigue. These are some simple hacks that can help you get eyes onto what you're talking about. And guys, this is a launch jacking blueprint. So launch jacking in a nutshell is what I'm doing right here. I'm reviewing a product and I'm putting this all together and making a video. And this is a launch jacking blueprint that also has a $10,000 case study. So there's proof that this system works. If you watch this and you follow the steps, you can be on your way to making $10,000 just as a step-by-step system that is in this bonus as a way of me saying thank you to you for using my link. Okay. Also, guys, we've got all vendor bonuses. We're going to look at what those are later on in the sales page. And I've got some extra bonuses as well, an easy way to build your buyers list. So just a second ago, I was talking about how to make money without a buyers list. This is going to show you an easy way to start building your buyers list. So I've got a bonus where you're going to be making money without it, and also a bonus that's going to be showing you how to build it along the way, so you can be doing both at the same time. Another bonus, guys, is how to make your phone into a money printer. So we carry our phone everywhere. Why not change that into your ATM machine, and instead of taking money out, you'll be putting money in. This is a system that's going to show you how to do that as well, guys. And I am not done. Finally, if you're going to be making bonuses, you're going to want, or videos rather, you're going to be wanting to get some eyes on it. So of course I've got that bonus about how to make engaging headlines, how to outrank your YouTube videos amongst your competition. But Facebook has almost 3 billion users. It is a free system, so let's use the powerful system. This has tons of step-by-step, in-depth videos that you can watch that goes over a gamut of different things about Facebook ads, Facebook pages, Facebook groups, paid ads, free ads, and a bunch of useful information that you can use to grow your audience and grow your profits. So if you see all of these yellow tabs here, you can click on any of these. It will take you to the sales page, which is going to look like this. And if you click on one of these tabs, it's going to take you to over to Warrior Plus, which is going to have a button, either a green one or a blue one, and if you click on that, then you can access all of my bonuses that are right here for you, and then you can implement these to start making money online for yourself, guys. So just right here, guys, this is a demo video that you can watch on your own time, and let's get into the sales page and then we'll jump into the demo. Okay, so here is the sales page, guys. Here is the sales video that is also in my link, in my description rather, that you can watch in my bonus page anytime you want. We already know all of this stuff. It is in my bonus page. This is Dawood Islam. He is one of the creators. Also, we have Arinze Gold. Okay, so this is going live at 9 o'clock on August 8th, okay? So don't wait. If you are new to affiliate marketing, or if you're still thinking about it, this is a good system for you, very newbie friendly. Here is some proof. So Dawood is one of the higher level affiliate marketers. You can see this is his screenshot from Warrior Plus. You can see today he made this. Yesterday he made almost $3,100. The last week he made almost $25,000, and the last 30 days, $41,000, guys. So this is freedom money, okay? So this is gonna give you the base where you can start building on this, and then you can have this kind of reality in the not too distant future, okay? Here is some more proof. Bank these earnings as of early July 2020. There you go, guys, more proof, okay? And here are the bonuses that they're going to be offering. A 50% discount off of the Elite Academy. That is Dawood's Academy. Bonus 2, exclusive Facebook group to his Facebook group. And the massive product bundle. So this is get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. Bonus number 4 is 20 reseller rights to 20 of Dawood's previous products, and dedicated customer support 24/7. So if there's anything that you're having trouble with in the gold standard, they've got you covered. You can access their support anytime. And Dawood has, I think, over 40 or so launches of products, guys. So he's picking his 20 previous products for you to have the reseller rights to as well. And this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, everyone. So if you decide to give it a shot, and for whatever reason it is not something that you're comfortable with, or not something that you thought was quite what you thought it was, you can get your money back. All right, so let's take a look, guys. This is what the dashboard is going to look like here. Okay, so These are the two vendors, Dawood and Mr. Gold, okay, Arinze Gold. So this is just an overview, and then the main training here. So you're going to get an introduction, you're going to get affiliate marketing and finding offers. So they're going to walk you through how you can do that. So they're going to go through the JVZoo, the ClickBank, the Warrior Plus videos without your face. So if you're shy, they've got you covered. They're going to show you how to make a demo video, the piggy bank method using Fiverr gigs. So Fiverr is, if you don't know, it's a site that you can get the expertise of other people. If you don't know how to do something, you can get them to do it for a very affordable price. You can rate other people, see which one you like, depending on the price, depending on their reputation. They're going to show you how you can do well on that. Make your video unique. Make your video unique part 2. Uploading titles and thumbnails, wrapping things up, how to use the resources, and very importantly, how to promote. Okay, they're going to show you resources, the brown bear bargains, the free squeeze pages. They've got a conclusion. You can get your bonuses here and all the upgrades. So if you look up here, guys, we've got to get the reseller rights, the support. So you can get those upgrades right there. And unadvertised bonuses, guys. So you can get Mike from Maine bonus, Udana bonus, Udanwa bonus, and the Manoj Kumar bonus. So a lot of bonuses with my bonuses and their bonuses. You've got a lot of great value. So if we get into the prices here, the front end and the upsells, you're going to see just how inexpensive the front end is. So it is only $11.95. That's like 2 Starbucks coffees, okay? You're gonna get all of this plus my bonuses as well. So finally make money online without an email list, without a website, and without putting your face on camera, even if you cannot speak English, guys. So upsell 1, the 5 gold bars at 37. Okay, the downsell of 17. Okay guys, so now let's look at the price of the front end and the upsells. So the front end, guys, you get all of that value plus my bonuses for only $11.95. That is like the price of 2 Starbucks coffees in most countries. And finally, make money online without an email list, without a website, and without putting your face on camera, even if you cannot speak English. And the upsell number 1, that 5 gold bars, is at 37 with a downsell of 17. Place any 5 links of your choice into our rotator and benefit from permanent daily traffic from our 30,000 plus members. You will make 10 times your results with this upsell. So this looks like a compelling upsell in my opinion. You're going to make a lot more money potentially for only about, if you do the downsell, only about twice as much as the front end anyways. So that seems to have a pretty good value system, value favor in my opinion. Upsell number 2, the total traffic fix. The 197 of the downsell of 97, send 10 times super solo ads to all your members at all 25 of their own membership sites in the MMO niche. Make money online. Plus, place your banner permanently on his 25 sites. Enjoy free VIP upgrades at all of the sites to enjoy a massive traffic injection. So if you are new, you're still looking to kind of get that builder base, get that notoriety, get that traffic, this is a viable option to think about. Upsell number 3 is the reseller rights, guys. At 37, downsell of 17. So get the reseller rights to the gold standards and you can make 100% commissions on the entire funnel. Done for you weekly campaigns at number 4 at 97, downsell of 47. Get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with a review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. This requires Commission Gorilla. So guys, this is a huge time saver. Doing these campaigns, doing these bonus pages takes, especially in the beginning, it can take a long time. It can take hours, in fact. So if you get 3 of these done for you, you're getting over 150 of these in a year. So just the time, the amount of money that you'll be saving in time and learning it, that is also a viable option. And upsell number 5, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. That is Dawood's Academy at $9.97 or 3 payments at $4.97. So for a limited time, this exclusive offer will include beta access to Dawood's new high-ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this month. Be one of the very first to join. So see the sales page for full details. If that is something that you want to go, you can look at that and check that out on your own time. So guys, those are the sales and the upsells. The front end is a very, very inexpensive, good value purchase in my opinion, especially when you're getting all of my bonuses and the vendors bonuses. I like this upsell number 1. I also like the upsell number 3, the reseller rights, so you can sell this and make 100% commissions on the entire funnel. All right, you guys, this is wrapping up my review of the gold standard. Like I said, this bonus page will come down at 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, August 11th, so you still have about 4 days left to get all of my bonuses. You're going to get all of this. This is the sales page, a video that you can watch on your own time. You're going to get all my videos here. The Explode 5 simple steps to explode your YouTube channel, make huge money with no email list doing this. The simple hack creates headlines that sell. Launch Jacking Blueprint and $10,000 case study. The vendor bonuses, an easy way to build your buyers list, how to make your phone into a money printer, and the complete Facebook guide. This is also the demo video that you can watch in my description that will be in this bonus page. All right, guys, this concludes my review. I hope you got some value from this. I hope it makes it a little bit more clear on what the gold standard is. And if you have any questions, please don't feel afraid to comment. And if you want to know why I make these videos, how I make them, or if you just have any questions about making money online or affiliate marketing, please leave a comment and I will promise to get back to you. Okay, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more future reviews and great content. This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.